Mars looks dead, a frozen desert of dust, rock, and ice. But beneath that red surface lies the story of a planet that was once very different. Deep underground, Mars still has a liquid core surrounded by a vast rocky mantle. Billions of years ago, that interior powered enormous volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Ancient Mars also had a thicker atmosphere and enough liquid water to carve rivers and fill lakes across the planet. But when the planet lost its global magnetic field, the solar wind gradually stripped much of that atmosphere away. Today, Mars is cold and dry, yet its surface and interior still preserve clues to a very different past. One question remains. If Mars once had rivers, lakes, and a warmer climate, could life have existed there too?